Here are 3 idioms that use animal words.
When pigs fly. This means that something is extremely unlikely to happen. Example, he said he'll clean his room when pigs fly.
The cat's out of the bag. This means that a secret has been revealed. Example, I accidentally told Sarah about the surprise party, and now the cat's out of the bag. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. This means to accomplish 2 things with a single action. Example, by going to this grocery store on my way home from work, I can kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or entertaining, and share it with your friends and family who you think might enjoy it too. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue to create great content. Thank you for watching.